everyone, today I want to speak to you about 11 real ways to get watch hours fast. And the first one is to get on your knees and beg for them. Please, please watch my videos. Watch them all so I can get my hours up. Ralu, can you help me get up? John, why'd I do this? Number 2 is a traditional one of creating great content and cross your fingers hoping people will watch it. Number 3 is to create a video that's shareable. Things like how your veggies can help you to lose weight. What kind of things would your corn say to you if it could speak? Things like that. And number 4 is to create rewatchable videos like my bird sanctuary, watching them eat, which helped me to relax and go to sleep. You can watch these all day long in the background. Number 5, and probably one of the most effective ones, is binge watching. You can ask your relatives and your friends to watch your videos and your playlists. Hi, Nana. Yeah, this is your grandson. Hey, can you have all your friends there at the home and yourself watch my playlist on YouTube? Yeah, just let it go all day long, even at nighttime. It'll help you to sleep better. Thank you, Nana. No, I don't need cookies now. Bye-bye. Number 6 is to do interviews of people who are in the top of your field on their best stuff. Look at this corn. Ah. Number 7 is to create humor videos. People just love to laugh. Tell jokes or even dad jokes. Things like, why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Okay, why did the gardener plant light bulbs? Because he wanted to have a power plant. No? Okay, how do flowers greet each other? Hey bud, how's it growing? Number 9 is to show people something that shocks them, the surprise factor, or saves them money, maybe like DIY strawberry propagation. Matter of fact, I did a video yesterday where I took 3 strawberry plants and turned them into 30. Or if you can make life easier for them, kind of like our DIY self-watering systems. And number 10 is to pay them for it. In fact, I'll pay anyone who watches this video 5 times $1. Really, trust me. And number 11 is to resort to begging again. Please watch my videos. It'll give me the watch hours that I need to monetize, and you'll help me send my children to college, and it will even help me feed thousands of starving children in Martha's Vineyard, and you can even save the puppies, but most importantly, do it for the children. Darn, Raluca, can you help me get up again? Oh, thank you. Oh, geez, my back.
Really?
So there you have it. Those are my 11 ways. And the big money question now is, what was number 8? If you can remember it, put it in the comments below, because I want to see who the smartest ones of you are. So thanks for joining me. And if you watch this video 20 times, I'll even adopt you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye now.